Well, he's sure having fun. Are you coming? Well, you might ask yourself what we doing out here. Well, not this fella right here, but I'm actually looking for stuff to put in my new ecosystem. Like I got a small one that had soil in it for about, let's say 3 months, something like that. There's only hydro balls in it, there's a mesh in it, and there's soil in it, and that's it. And just a little bit, of that damp in it. But I thought about getting one small plant and an isopod, see what happens with those two inside. So that's what we're doing out here today, right, boy? All right, let me show you what we're doing out here. There's a lot of stuff we find out here. What's that? See, this is definitely one of those things that I would have enjoyed when I was little, like taking your kids out, walking in the forest, and then having this phone take pictures of plants, and then they tell you what kind of plant it is. Hold on, boy. Now, that is a super cool thing of automation and computing and all of that. Now, of course, this thing's not going to be like super accurate, but it's going to help you a little bit, and it's fun. Why not go out with your kids, into the forest and, trying to learn stuff about nature instead of destroying the nature. That looks like the one I saw in Canada, if I'm correct, Calgary. This is one of my favorite places to get stuff, moss and all that. Pretty cool out here. A lot of moss, you see. Maybe we'll get some spores. This might be the thing we need, but this one is way too big. Check out that whole setup. Wow. I like that. I also wanted to collect some leaves, but as you can recognize already, this is way too wet. I'm not gonna pick up these leaves right now. They're just too wet. So I'll have to wait or find another solution. Beautiful looking leaf though. Now my phone says this is the yellow archangel, but I'm not sure about that.